So this is part 2 of vector worksheet number 2. So there are some questions based on vector geometry. So we'll be discussing some questions based on vector. So here you can see this is a trapezium shape figure, and the properties of trapezium is one of the pair of sides should be parallel and other should not be parallel, non-parallel, and one should be parallel sides. So here this RQ and QP are parallel to each other, and also it is given that OR is A and OP is B, and it is given that RQ is 3 by 5 of OP. 3 by 5 of OP means what? B. The OP length is given as B, right? So instead of writing OP, I can write B over there. So yeah, then find PQ vector in term of AB. PQ vector. So I need to go from P to Q, right? I need to go from P to Q. So I can get B over here, I can get A over here, and I can get P over here. So I'll be traveling in that direction where I can get all the terms of A and B. So I'll be traveling in that direction. So from here, if I travel, then it should be like, for traveling from P to Q, I have to go from P to O plus O to R plus R to Q, correct? So if I want to go from P to O, it should be negative of P, okay, because I'm going opposite direction of this one. So negative B. What is O to R? If I go from O to R, then it should be plus of A, because of the same direction. And this is plus of 3 by 5 of B, right? It should be plus of 3 by 5 of B, because we have taken 3 by 5 of B, right? B is in this direction, right hand side, so we have to take it like that. So for finding the value of to simplify it more, we have to make the like term first together. So minus B plus 3 by 5 B need to be kept together plus A. So if I do the LCM of this two, it should be minus of 5B plus 3B plus of A. So minus 5B plus 3B is minus of 2B divided by 5 plus of A. So PQ vector is this, okay. So just we have 5 free selection. Yeah, we just did how to find out uh, PQ vector. So the next question is, so let's do this. So the next question is, when P and Q are extended, and they intersect at W, PQ and OR is extended, right? Yeah. When PQ is extended and OR is extended, they meet at a point, and that point becomes W, okay? So we have to find out the position vector of W. As I told you, position vector means origin to the value that we have to find out. So position vector of W is OW. How to find out the position vector of OW? OW vector will be equal to what? So for finding the OW vector, we know that this is A, this distance is known, and we don't know this distance, right? RW we don't know. Let's say RW is X. Let's say RW is X, and because this is a trapezium, so two of the sides are parallel, and these two angles will be equal, okay, because they both are parallel, and this angle will also be equal, right? So angle 1 and 2 will be equal, angle 3 and angle 4 will be equal. Also, this is common in both the triangles. Actually, we know that there are two triangles inside. One is a triangle like this, and another triangle is overlapping that, right? Like this one. You can see there are two triangles, right? if I separate it like this, one is this triangle and other is this triangle, right? So I have taken this length as x, correct? I have taken this length as x, and the total length is a plus x. Then this total length will be what? A plus x. I hope you understand. So let me make it much more clear to you just by drawing it again. There are two triangles actually. One is the smaller one over the top, and the length of that is x. You can see this triangle I'm trying to make. This triangle, okay. I'm trying to make this triangle. So that is x total length, and the bigger triangle is the bigger triangle need to be a little bigger. The bigger triangle is this one, the whole triangle, okay. The bigger triangle is the whole triangle, this one, okay. This whole, I'm trying to help you with this one. So bigger triangle is that one, and the whole length is a plus x, because I have taken this as x, so a is there. The total length is a plus x, correct? So here we can see that if two things are similar, how it comes similar? Because it is similar because by angle property, we can say that both the triangles are similar, because you know that if all three of the things are satisfying, actually it is showing that they are equal. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2, right? Angle 3 equals to angle 4, and this angle is common, right, between these two, so they both are also equal. So by this property we can say that these two triangles are similar. If they both are similar, their sides are in the ratio, right, proportions. So if it is like that, we can write this as x upon a plus x, that is equals to, this side is b, right, and this side is 3 by 5 of b. In the first part it is given this is 3 by 5 of OP, but it means that this side is 3 by 5 of b. So we can say that x divided by a plus x equals to 3 by 5 of b divided by b, correct? Because they both are in proportion, so we can write like this. So b and b got cancelled out. Uh, we are left with this value. So x equals to what? A plus x multiplied by 3 by 5, correct? This a plus x will be multiplied with 3 by 5. So when we multiply it inside, it will be 3 by 5 of a plus 3 by 5 of x, right? So I'm just multiplying just by expanding the bracket. So 3 by 5 of a plus 3 by 5 of x. So I know that this x and this x are like term, right? These two are like term here. So we can pair it. So if this 3 by 5 of x comes over the left, it will be negative sign. 3 by 5 of a is already there. So if I take an LCM of that, 5. So 5x minus of 3x equals to 3 by 5 of a. It gives you 2x by 5 equals to 3 by 5 of a. 5 and 5 got cancelled out. So finally what we get? 2x equals to 3a, and x is equals to 3 by 2a. Got it? This 2 comes down. So x equals to 3 by 2 of a. So what we get with this similarity property, what we get? X equals to 3 by 2 of a. So what we get here, we can write this as x equals to 3 by 2 of a. And also, if x equals to 3 by 2 of a, what will be the total length actually? See, I'm going to rub this as a x I have written before, so I'm going to rub it, and I'm going to write this new value, that is 3 by 2a. This is already a, right? And this is 3 by 2a. So what is OW now? OW is OR plus RW, right? So OR is already x, and RW I have taken the value as 3 by 2 of a. OR is a, and OR is A and RW is 3 by 2 of A. So if I do an LCM for this, it will give me an answer of 5A by 2. OW is equals to 5A by 2. So this is the final answer. The question is little longer, but if you understand it, it will be easy for you, because we are finding the answer using similar property of two triangles, and the property that we are going to use is AAA, angle angle angle. So this is the method we use to find out the OW. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So this part is really easy. So O is the origin, and OP is P, and OQ is equals to Q as it is written. This is Q and this is P, and OP is extended to R, so that OP is equals to PR. This length is extended to R, so that OP is equals to PR. Both the lengths are equal. Okay, this length and this length are equal, it is given, and OQ is extended so that OQ is equals to SQ. OQ is equals to SQ. This two length are also equal. Okay, so what we get? It means that if this is P, right? If this length is P, then this length should also be equals to P, because they both are equal. If this length is Q, then this length should also be equals to Q. So we have to find out the vector RQ. So RQ is from here to here. So RQ vector should be equal to, so because RQ is like that, so we can go in this direction to find out. So we need also P and Q term. So you know that if I go in this direction, I'll have two P's. So both are in negative, right? Because the direction is this one, I'm going opposite to that. So minus of 2P, and here the Q value is positive, so plus of Q. So this is very simple question. This is your final answer. And BC equals to A. This is question number 3. We are doing BC equals to A. BC is equals to A. It is given here. Vector small. It's very small, but you can see it is A written over there. And AB, BC is A and AC is B. It's here. AC is B. Find AB in term of A and B. We have to go from A to B. So in term of A and B, so I have to go like this only. Okay, in this direction. So I'll be encountering B, and so AB vector is very simple. AB, we know that it is going on the same direction, plus B, and opposite to A. So minus of A. AB is plus B minus of A. So what else we have to find out? In question number 2, that is B part, it is given M is the midpoint, BC, M is the midpoint of BC, X divides AB in ratio 1:4. So this X is dividing AB in 1:4, means this is 1/4 of AB, correct? And this will be 3/4 of AB, as we have already discussed like this. This is 1/4 of AB, this is 3/4 of AB. So find xm. We have to find out this length. Okay, x to m, we have to go like this, xm. So if I want to go from x to m, I can take this route instead. That will be much better, I guess, right? So yeah, this route I'll take, because AB is on the same way, so I'll take this route to go. So I know that to find out xm vector, I need to go from xb plus b m, and m is the midpoint. So xb is very simple, that is xb, you can say xb is equals to 3 by 4 of ab, right? And what is ab? ab is b minus of a, correct? ab is b minus of a, it's given, means we have calculated in the first question, first part. So when I multiply this with this one and this with this one, it will give me 3 by 4 of b minus of 3 by 4 of a. Okay, so xb value is 3 by 4b minus 3 by 4a. So we can write xb as 3 by 4b minus 3 by 4a plus, what is bm? What is bm? Bm is, because we are going on the same way and bc is equals to a, so bm will be half of a, because m is the midpoint. So bm will be half of a plus a by 2 we can write. So now here we can see that 3 by 4b is different term and this too has same term. So let us take an LCM of that. I'll take LCM of this two term. So if I take LCM, 4 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 cancel out, 3a plus 2 divided by 4 is 2 and 2a. So the answer is 3 by 4b minus of 4 comes over bottom, 3 minus 3a plus 2a is minus of a. Okay, minus 3a plus 2a is minus of a, and this will be your final answer. So xm will be equals to 3 by 4b minus a by 4. This is the final answer. So I hope these three questions are clear to you from worksheet 2, and we will discuss some more questions in part 3. Thank you so much for watching this video.